Let's learn the safety in surface mine OB operations. Before you operate, you need to perform truck inspection. Check if the tires are fully inflated. You need to inspect if lights are working properly. Next, you should check if fire extinguisher is available on truck. Then, you need to perform the maintenance check. You also need to make sure if the oil and fuel levels are normal. Make sure to check the brakes are working properly. You should wait till OB loading process is completed. Finally, the OB dump material is unloaded near the edge.